Kalshi is giving free $25 bonus in 2026 and most people still don't know how to claim it properly. In this video I will show how. Click three dot and invite friends. When you sign up using referral link, Kalshi gives $25 bonus after deposit and fast trade requirement complete trade. Explain. Minimum deposit 10 or 20. Trade requirement if any. So you need to create an account, then verify your identity, deposit fund, complete fast trade, bonus appear when you done every step complete. Kalshi is regular prediction market platform where you can trade real alt like the politics sector, crypto, financial, tech science, and also sports. So that's for today. If you like type of video referral bonus, then join my Telegram and also subscribe my YouTube channel. If you need any other service like Chime, Cash App, Venmo, PayPal support, join my Telegram. Thank you.